very wise, sagacious, very surprised, flabbergasted, very respectful, deferential, very loyal, staunch, very drunk, inebriated, very intimidating, daunting, very clever, ingenious, very crowded, bustling, very irritating, exasperating, very arrogant, imperious, very hardworking, industrious, very determined, resolute, very friendly, convivial, very annoying, vexatious, overused, hackneyed, very argumentative, pugnacious, very rude, discourteous, very distrustful, cynical, very negative, pessimistic, very insightful, percipient, very abusive, vituperative, very charming, entrancing, very boring, humdrum, very irritable, cantankerous, very angry, vexed, very kind, benevolent, very stubborn, obdurate, very thrilling, exhilarating, very painful, excruciating, very routine, quotidian, very prevalent, ubiquitous, very harmful, pernicious, very uncooperative, recalcitrant, very unnecessary, superfluous, very irrelevant, extraneous, very difficult, strenuous, very unpleasant, obnoxious, very lazy, lackadaisical, very unemotional, phlegmatic, very noisy, clamorous, very cheerful, ebullient, very appalling, egregious, very defiant, truculent, very secret, surreptitious, very persistent, relentless, very shrewd, perspicacious, very compelling, riveting, very loud and noisy, boisterous, very critical, coruscating, very well known and respected, illustrious, disastrous, calamitous, abusive or derogatory, scurrilous,